अगस्त 2020 था ये दूसरे दिनों के जैसे ही, लेकिन ऐसे दो बड़े ब्लास्ट ने बेरूत को हिला के रख दिया। ऐसा माना जाता है that more than the first blast, the second one was considered to be more powerful, which led to 177 deaths, 6,000 people getting injured, more than 3 lakh people getting homeless, and billions of property getting damaged. तो ये सब हुआ कैसे? ये हुआ because of ammonium nitrate. So what is ammonium nitrate? Ammonium nitrate is a chemical compound which is used as a high nitrogen fertilizer in agriculture. सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, इसे as an explosive mixture भी यूज किया जाता है। ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ 2015 में, जब चाइना में अमोनियम नाइट्रेट की वजह से एक बहुत धमाकेदार ब्लास्ट हुआ था, लेकिन इसका इम्पैक्ट बेरूत जितना नहीं था। ये एक्सप्लोजन इतना खतरनाक था that it was felt in Syria, Turkey, Israel, and also in Cyprus, which is 250 kilometers away from Beirut. इस एक्सप्लोजन को one of the most powerful non-nuclear explosion in history माना जा रहा है, यहां तक कि Lebanese government had to declare a 2-week state of emergency. So आखिर इतना सारा अमोनियम नाइट्रेट आया कहां से? In 2013, MV Rosis नाम का एक शिप came to Beirut with 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate, and this ammonium nitrate was placed in a warehouse in 2014. 6 साल तक ये ammonium nitrate बेरूत में था, लेकिन no action was taken even after many complaints from the locals. And finally, जब इतना बड़ा explosion होने के बाद, the entire Lebanese government had to resign. So after the explosion, guess what? 750 tons of ammonium nitrate was then discovered in Chennai, which was there since 2015. कहते हैं ना, जब तक कुछ धमाकेदार नहीं होगा, तब तक कुछ बदलने वाला नहीं है. And after that, the government of Chennai then moved the entire ammonium nitrate to Hyderabad, which was placed in a warehouse and is now considered to be safe. If you feel this video has created any awareness, do like, share and subscribe.